Kopogore gi mana tiri nyake kaunti Busia. Jochiw thieth kaunti Busia obogo chako ng'anyo mar tipo odiochieng' makinya. Kotelnegi kod jagoro mar KMPDU kaunti no Laktar Sandi Charo. Gikoni tend kaunti no osebedo ka wuondogi kendo miyogi geno maonge kinde ka kinde kendo giseol kod miriambo. Gidwaro mondo medgi lemo, rango sara matin maonge balang', kachiel kod lwasi marach mar tich mabende gisebedo ka gikadhe. Twak mar lakteche gi biro mana ndalo achiel bang' romo e kind gavana kod lakteche mag kaunti no. Gino mane okonyago ulemo.
We are tired of the empty rhetoric that is always played out. We are tired of the empty promises that are being given to Mwananchi. But we are expressing our frustrations that we are not getting our salaries on time. We are not getting our promotions on time. And that is frustrating us and demoralizing us. Otherwise, we continue. We are still committed to the cause. We are still committed and ready to serve Kenyans. But we are imploring on Kenyans to know that the poor services that are being offered in the counties is because of poor management that is there.
Ugatuzi ulifanywa kwa njia ya haraka sana. Na kwa hivyo tungependa sheria na tunaunga mkono ya kwamba kuwe na sheria. Sisi hatutaki kujua mambo ya supplies, mambo ya lakini human resource. Ili ndilo shida kubwa ambayo tuko nayo katika gatuzi sote. Ya kwamba unapata gatuzi fulani alijalipa, gatuzi fulani limelipa. Kama kungekuwa na sheria ambayo waleta wote pamoja, hatungekuwa na hizi changamoto ambazo wahudumu wa afya wanasipitia.
We have committed ourselves that by 17th of October we'll proceed with our industrial action without further notice, because the county government has resorted to go into slumber and ignore the welfare of our members.
Tulikuja katika ofisi tukiwa na changamoto sana ya hii health sector yetu, lakini ninataka kuhakikishia wananchi wa Busia kwamba tutapata suluhu.
Migago